Hey there YouTube, hope everybody's doing good today. I thought I'd post another update of my truck I've been working on, my old 89 truck. If you watched my last videos, you would have seen that I was lapping the valves, kind of redoing the heads. And but I got all that in there now, I got the intake on and everything. Here's the old beast right here. Like I said, 1989 F250. Sorry it's windy out right now, only because I'm trying to record something. But yeah, 89 F250, XLT Lariat, 4x4, and it has the ZF5, 5-speed manual. There it is. Of course, this little thingy spins around everywhere. Yeah, I put some glue in that, but yeah, I doubt it has the original, what does that say, 5,633 miles? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's rolled over a couple times. Pretty sure. So, let's check out the engine here. There she is, a little dusty, but that's the HEI style distributor. Just got some plain Jane valve covers, chrome valve covers from Amazon. I think it was Spectra brand. There's the Wind 8012 intake, aluminum intake. Is a Edelbrock 600 CFM carburetor. It is the 1405, and I just grabbed an Edelbrock air filter cover from Advanced Auto. I had to change water pump because I started leaking. Still got to change the belt eventually, but you know, it's still on there, so it'll be fine. And I also got the headers on there. These are the Hedman headers. I don't remember the code offhand. I can write that in the description. Now this side here, the passenger side, wraps really tight around the starter, so I went ahead and put some heat wrap around it, just to help keep the starter protected. I still gotta, you know, officially do my fuel line. It's a little sketch right now, but but it'll be all right. And let's see. Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I've done right now. Like I said, I went through and lapped all the valves. They all sealed up pretty decently. The exhaust valve, like the intake valves, all sealed really good, but the exhaust valves would only hold fluid for about, I don't know, 40 seconds-ish. I was kind of concerned about that, but the truck seems to run really good, so everything seems like it's sealing up pretty decent. Especially once it builds up some carbon on it, it'll be fine. Go ahead and fire it up. It's kind of a fun little process here. Alright, so clutch down, neutral, key forward, and then we got this handy dandy little vice grip needle nose here that kind of pushes this little needle down for me. Oh yeah, it's not rigged up at all. Yep, so the factory tack works pretty good. Like I said, all the wires are chopped pretty much from the computer and all that junk, but they already had the tack wire rigged up there, so I just went off of that and it works good. Speedometer works. The only thing over here that works is the voltage. I wish this thing was always full on gas. I've got over here, got oil pressure. I haven't hooked the volts up yet. Temperature gauge, all that. XLT Lariat, oh yeah. Yeah, I got this fancy wood trim in the middle. Man, I tell you what. Style, man. Got the real quiet running motor. Got a I did a 38-gallon tank upgrade. I think that's a Spectra brand. I think I got it off of Amazon, actually. Have dual exhaust stacks on there. Figured I got a redneck truck and needs some redneck stacks, right? Got new tires, 285. What are they? 285, 75 R16s. Here are the stacks down here. I just cut a hole in the bed. And, oh yeah, yummy. Run down, straight duals. Got a X pipe there, and kind of runs there. Kind of ran it between the transmission and the brace there. Straight to the headers. Oh, and let's see. Window doesn't really work. Kind of does, but kind of doesn't. Need to do the ball joint still. Kind of got a little bit of saggage going on there, but other than that, pretty beastly truck. Really impressed with the torque it's got. It's got 410 gears too, so that really feel the pulling power that way. So yeah, let's give her a little cruise. Well, first gear is pretty much low gear, so. Yeah, this thing's got 410 gears in it, by the way. not too shabby. Yeah, that's my little project truck. I will post some more videos of just the exhaust and whatnot. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Thank you all for watching.